Why are 40% of the words in English originally French? We can blame the Vikings, actually the descendants of the Vikings that settled in northern France, called the Normans. These Normans now spoke French, and in the year 1066 they invaded England and took over the government. For the next 300 years, the language of government, education, and power in England was French. This changed English a lot. Two things led to the survival and return of the English language. First, the Norman French ruling class didn't usually marry with the native English women, so English survived among the common people. Second, a sickness called the Black Death came in the 1300s and killed half of the people in society, including the ruling classes. After this, English returned as the language of government and education, but thousands of French words like air, face, flower, and royal became part of everyday English.